Having trouble drawing ears and lips? This video is just for you. Stay with me. Hey guys, my name is Meh, whatever. If you find drawing ears and lips really hard, don't worry. I'm here to teach you how. Let's get started. To draw the ears, we need to look at their actual shape. Ears are usually slanted, so it's better to use a slanted arrow to be more precise, like this one. And then, following that angle, we draw our ears in a slanted position, like this. The inside of the ear is drawn with 4 lines. The first line, the second line, the third line, and the fourth line. I should also mention that as the ear moves from the profile view to the 3-dimensional view and then to the full view, its width decreases. Now let's talk about the lips. In manga, we simplify real lips by just drawing the line that splits the lips and leaving out the rest. If we want to draw the lips from a lower angle, we need to draw the lip line curved upwards, like this. If we want to draw the lips from a higher angle, we need to draw the lip line curved downwards, like this. If we want to draw the lips from a 3-sides view, we need to start by drawing a curved line, like this. Since the left side of the lip is farther away than the right side, we draw the left side smaller, and the right side larger and longer, like this. And if we want to draw the lips from the profile, we need to draw 2 lines for the teeth, one for the upper lip and one for the lower lip. Then just add the lip line and some details like this. And as always, here's a little cheat for practice. If you want to learn how to draw eyes, don't miss this video. I'm Mobin, and I'll see you next time.